So let's start. So today I'm here to discuss something about coinage. Coinage of ancient history. So if we will look at history of coinage, so it is divided into two parts. First is punch-marked coins. These coins dominated our history till the arrival of Greeks. Till Greeks. And when Greeks came, they brought the new type of coin we called cast die stuck coins. Cast means the coin which is made by melting the metal. Casting means you take a clay, press the clay and pour the molten metal. So cast die stuck coin. Obviously better in design, better in size and better in shape. So Greeks were the ones who introduced these coins. I am going to discuss about the punch-marked coins. What are these punch-marked coins and why they are called punch-marked coins? So if you look at the history of coinage, so in Indus Valley civilization, we have found no coin. No piece of metal which could be identified as coin. So we think either Indus Valley trade was barter or Indus Valley people have used some financial instruments, perhaps their seals. So that is Indus Valley civilization. In the Rig Vedic age, literature mentioned the coin which is called Nishk. It was a gold coin, obviously not found so far. So here also, trade was barter. This coin is mentioned in literature, but no point that we have found the coin on PGW levels. PGW is the pottery of Rig Vedic age. So these niche coin were either used in store of wealth, as we store the wealth in metal in our homes. It is perhaps used for worship. Even today we worship the coin 2 days before Diwali. Or it may be used as jewelry. Coins are used as jewelry in every part of India. In southern India it's called kasumale. So these are the three things for which Rig Vedic Nishk may have been used. It's a gold coin. In later Vedic age, literature mentioned two coins. Both are silver coins. Nowhere found. Two silver coins are mentioned as. Both are silver. The color of rust of silver is black. So because of that black is called Krishna or Sham. So white is called Shukla or Shwet. Black is called Krishna or Sham. And that's why the silver coin of later Vedic age is called Krishnala. It was a silver coin. Krishna means black. And over the years, this silver coin turns black. That's why it is called Krishnala. Another coin, theoretically 100 times heavier than Krishnala. That is Shatman. Metal, silver. This means black because silver rust is black. So rust of silver rust is black. That's why this coin has the name on black. Although it's silver, it's a bit paradoxical. And Shatman means 100. Technically, maybe 100 times or not 100 times, but the name is 100 times Shatman. So these are literary coins found in literature. Archaeology rarely found these coins. We don't even know which are these coins or Mahajanpad coins. So Indus Valley civilization, no coin. Obvious barter trade. Rig Veda mention Nishk. Used in market? Perhaps not. No chance. Trade was very local. And that's why this is the name of coin found. Nishk. Later Vedic age, Krishnala and Shatman. Two coins are mentioned in later Vedic literature. Used in market? Highly unlikely. We think that later Vedic age trade was also barter because at the PGW levels, coins are not found. coins are found in the later levels, which we call Mahajanpad age. So now we come to Mahajanpad coins. These coins are only mentioned in literature. We don't know how they are made. That's why we keep them in punch mark coins, because we think they would have been punch marked. There is no proof of it. We still call them punch mark coins. But the proper history of archaeological coins of which we have the proof, we have the coins, is Mahajanpad age coins, 6th century BC onwards. From here you will find the coins archaeologically. The level of Mahajanpad age is pottery is NBPW, Northern Black Polish Ware. So in archaeology, when you come from the down Indus Valley, no coinage. PGW levels, which is Rig Vedic, later Vedic. Literature mention coin, archaeology do not support coin. So yes, we say Nishk, Krishnala, Shatman are coinage. Anyone saw that coinage? Highly unlikely. Mahajanpad age coins are proper, where we know how the coins are made. We call them punch-marked coins. And if these are punch-marked coins, the coin before them also must have been punch-marked. On that circumstantial data, Rig Vedic and later Vedic coins are called punch-marked coins. Proof is from here onwards. These are punch-marked coins. Now, before I tell you punch-marked coins, I just want to discuss two principles which will be useful in the entire history and entire exam of UPSC. First, one principle of linguistic, naming things. R is dropped while speaking something. R is generally dropped. Matra becomes mata, drop. Pitra becomes pita, R is dropped. Tri becomes teen, R is dropped. Any complex word is dropped. Sapt mein pa is dropped. R to is generally dropped. Europeans called, or Greek brought a coin in India called dram. R is dropped, it became dam, dam or damdi. Whatever, mitra becomes neet, R is dropped. Priyadarshi, both the R's are dropped, become Piyadasi, title of Ashok. So R is generally dropped. That is rule number 1. Even in Krishna, R is dropped, becomes Kanha. Prashna, R is dropped, becomes Panha. So that's why Milind Prashna becomes Milind Panha. If the book name would have been Milind Krishna, it would have become Milind Kanha. So we also know Krishna is called Kanha and Prashna is called Panha. So there also R is dropped. So one is R is dropped. Second law which we will need a lot is consonant change. Consonant change, especially the first consonant. First consonant is generally changed. Whenever we speak a word, we change its consonant. For example, in northern India, 500 is called 500. In eastern India, 1 is called ban. Or in Haryana region, instead of nikal gaya, people say likad gaya. So we don't care about, जैसे in Punjab, instead of behenji, people say painji. So these are the words where consonant is easily changed. We ourselves change the consonant. Khana, vana, pani, shani. So these consonant changes, one thing which generally happens in this entire world, in our country also. Many questions of UPSC could be answered by change of consonant. Few examples I'll give you. For example, in 2020 they asked the question Kullevab and Dronvab. What does they mean? Their time, their speed, whatever length. Many things. What are the units of? So if you see the common word Vab, change the first consonant of Vab. It becomes Map or Nap. Both are the unit of length or measurement. Actually, Vap means sewing, but here Vap becomes Map or Nap. तो माप, नाप, वाप, all of them becomes length. That was the answer. So dropping R and changing consonant. Many more laws given in the book Prakrit Prakash of Vararuchi. Vararuchi was a Navratna of Chandragupta Vikramaditya. In his book, many of such laws of Prakrit are given, how Sanskrit and Prakrit changes. I am discussing only for the purpose of whatever I am going to explain. So R will be dropped and consonant will be changed. Let's see Mahajanpad age coins. Mahajanpad Panchmag coins. Mahajanpad age. Coins are Panchmarked. Why they are called Panchmarked? So we'll discuss that. So we will write one gold coin, two silver coins, and four copper coins. And I'll tell you why they are called such. So we will see Mahajanpad age coins. First, root etymology. Gold is called Swarna, Sona, originally from Suvarna. The gold coin of Mahajanpad age is called Suvarna. Not at all difficult. Suvarna means gold coin. So in Mahajanpad age, gold coin is Suvarna. Now, copper coins. So traders, Vedic age traders are called Pani. Pani. Who are their enemies? Later they were subordinated. They could not get the cattle wealth, nor they could own the land. So they wander from one tribe to other, selling one thing, buying other thing. And that's how the enemies of Vedic were the first traders. After their defeat, they became trader. They go from one place to other, buy the things. And that's how Pani are the earliest traders, which we know by their name in Vedic literature. So Pani are the earliest trader of Vedic people. And that's why in Mauryan age, the office of head of trade and commerce, officer of head of trade of commerce was called Panya Adhyaksh. Panya Adhyaksh. It is a Mauryan age term mentioned in Arthashastra. Panya Adhyaksh, head of office of trade. So Pani are called trader. Mauryan age, Panya Adhyaksh is called head of trade. Today we call Dhan as rice, Dhan, and Panya as trade. Dhan and Panya, agriculture and trade. So Pani are the earliest traders. As I have told you, the consonant changed. These Pani became Vani. The term equivalent today we have is Vanij. Vanij is a term for commerce. So Pani became Vani. From Vani we have the term Vanij. These Vani became Vanik. Every V turns to B. One becomes Ban. Vihar becomes Bihar. Vanik became Banik. And Banik became Bania. So this Banik becomes Bania. Pani, Vani, Vanik, Banik, Bania. All the terms are used for traders. Remember, Vaishya did not originally meant trader. Vaishya originally meant those who live in Vish, commoner. In Vedic age, Mahajanpad age, they do agriculture mainly. Vaishya became synonymous for trader very later. Vaishya is a varna. Vaishya is not a profession. Trader is a profession. Pani, Vani, Vanik, Banik, Bania. So this Bania, as in villages, even today, Bania means trader. Earliest coins were minted perhaps by these Pani. Why they need? If there is a shop, trade is barter. You go to sell something and shopkeeper do not have anything in return to give. The shopkeeper gives a token. Today you go to any juice shop or any shop, chaat pakoda. So the cashier gives you a token. In 50 rupees, he gives you a token. in entire of his shop, that token is valid. And these tokens in those days, obviously neither plastic was available, not paper was available. So we think these tokens were metal tokens. And because shopkeeper accepted every time, so people started accepting these tokens. A trader will give you a token. You will keep it in your pocket, keep it in your house. Whenever you want that thing again, the shopkeeper will take that token, accept that token. Earliest coins were minted by pani. That's why the earliest coins were called pan. Pan. Later, multiple shops. We think that all the shopkeepers or all the guilds, they must have come across a standardization. Just for example, charger. So earlier we have different type of chargers. Slowly and slowly everyone is coming towards that C-type charger. This is called market loves standardization. Earlier we have different type of USBs. We all come towards one USB. Every company makes same CD. Market loves standardization. There is one unit of weight called karsha. It's a unit of weight. We think that this metal token, over the years, of one karsha metal weight, one karsha metal token, must have made standardized by various traders. Over the years, for their own ease, they come to a standard coin, and that was called karshpan. Karshpan. And that's how copper coin are pan, because pani mint them. And when pani come across a standardized coin, we call them karshpan. So silver coin is named swarn because it is of gold. Sorry, gold coin is called swarn because it is of gold. Copper coins are pan because minted by pani. Copper coin are called karshpan because weight is one karsha. And later this karsh by Indo-European trade went to Indians, only dropped the R. And later it went to Europe. So European term cash comes from this karsh. Yes, dam is a European term, dram in India used as dam. Karsh is an Indian term, reached Europe, became cash. That's why you will see linguistic is the basis of history. And without a grip of linguistic, it's very difficult, very weird to read the history. So one is pan, one is karshpan. So this is the etymology behind these three coins. Now let's see. I have not told you what is punch marked coins. Why we call them punch marked coins? Obviously these all coins are punch marked. So what is the reason or how punch marked coins are made? These also are punch marked. So etymology first. Why they are called punch marked coins? Take a metal strip. Start, for example, you have a metal strip of 10 gram and you need a coin of 6 gram. Today, though, it's very easy. We have the instrument, we will melt the coin, 6 gram metal we will take, we will pour in a cast, which is Greek style cast diced coin. How these Europeans make the coin? Europeans make the coin by melting it. How we Indians made the coins back then? So we will take a metal strip. We will progressively cut it. Cut it a bit, wait. So first we have cut it 9 gram. Second we have cut it 8 gram. Third we have cut it 7 gram. Then we again cut it 6 gram. Or if 6.65 though, again. So this is the weird shape coin we have cut. This is how punch marked coins are made. That's why punch marked coins have irregular shape. Shape of punch marked coins is irregular because it is made by progressive cutting. Slowly and slowly cut the coin, slowly and slowly measure the coin. Once 6 gram achieved, 6 grams of coin is achieved. In market obviously, people will not go and will start weighing the coin. Everyone will go with a weighing machine. 6 gram coin. So they mark this coin. They mark the coin by putting an iron bar and punching the iron bar on top of it. So one mark or shape appears on the coin. Because the shape is punched on it. A shape punched on coin. That's why they are called punch marked coins. Take a shape, punch on the coin. That is what punch marked coins. Irregular shape and a mark is punched on the coin. These are the two features. I'll show you what are the punch mark coins later. First see the name. Now because a shape has two terms. One is roop. Roop. Behrupiya, multiple shape. Roop. That's why Panini mentioned this coin as Rupya. So 6th century BC has the word Rupya. And hopefully everyone could identify this Rupya became the basis of modern day Rupaya. So this is the Rupaya coin. Rupya. Second thing, because of this shape, later the word for shape is also Mudra. Various mudraएं. तो मुद्रा ऑफ भगवान बुद्ध, अभय मुद्रा, धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तन मुद्रा, वरद कर्ण मुद्रा, तो वितर्क मुद्रा, various types of mudra. Mudra means shape. And that's why the coins are also called mudra. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, in which the money will be given. So coin became mudra because of this shape. Silver coin is generally called rup because of this shape. So this shape gives us two names, Rupya and Mudra. Because a silver coin is full of many lower denomination copper coin. One silver coin is equal to 20 copper coin. It means if you are holding a silver coin, it is equivalent to 20 copper coin. In Hindi we call it bandha and khulla. Lower denomination coins are called khulla. Higher coin is called bandha. As in market you must have heard. That's why silver coin, which has a lot of copper coin value in it, is called Purna, full of copper coins. Now the copper coin, if you have to make a further, from that Purna we come one more term for silver coin. If you have to make a smaller silver coin, you will have to break it. Break it and make a smaller silver copper coin. So the smaller coins are made by further hitting the coin. The term for hitting generally used in the rural northern India even today is masakna, masak dena. In villages, if you will go in northern India especially, so you will find in villages generally hitting is called masak dena. And that's why from that masak, Arthashastra mentioned the coin masak. If you will see Mauryan coin, you will find the lowest denomination coin is called masak. So from that masak comes a word masa. Masa. And you all must be aware, something on the face, mass is also called massa, comes from this masa. A unit of weight after tola is masha. Palme tola, palme masha. This is also unit of weight. All these are from a small thing made by hitting a large thing, breaking the large thing. Take a stone, hit it, small stone will appear. So this is a very lower denomination coin made by hitting a larger coin. That's why it is called masa. And the last name, in older days, metal is the worth of the coin. So bangles and rings are also used as coin. In British age also you will see the ring shaped coin. So bangle, the term for bangle is kangan, which comes from the word kakan for kangan. That's why the word is kakni. So UPSC focus on the terms in their exam. If you have the knowledge of linguistics, terms will be easier to remember. You will be able to apply some logic in exam and you will not feel helpless to remember all of this. Believe me, no word in this world is made without logic. Whichever word you have heard has some logic behind it, has a story behind it. Knowing these things help the things. For example, in medieval age, if you have any word with M or mu in it, and later a word appears. Just take away the mu and focus on the consonants. Consonant 1, consonant 2, consonant 3. In medieval age, the one who do intazar, muntazar, jurm, mujrim, with wakil, muwakkil, who do safar, musafir, who has the army of 1 lakh, malik. If you have to check anyone is काबिल of you, मुकाबला, मुकाबिल, हो कमजोर मुकाबिल तो फौलाद है मोमिन. तो likewise, if you will take a grip on this linguistics, if you will understand the root of linguistics, for example, water is aab, 2 rivers doab, 5 river Punjab. Water which comes from peshani body, peshab. Water which gives you surur, sharab. Water which is hard, tejab. So if you have some knowledge of linguistics, UPSC in GS is focusing on the terminology of question, where you have heard this term. Just say for example, changing the consonant gives you an answer of 2022 question. If I remember 2022. They asked a coin, or they asked a term, what is phanam? M is a term which is added everywhere in southern India. Prasad becomes prasadam, shastra becomes shastram, pattan becomes pattanam, shastra becomes shastram. So if you take away the M, you are, remember with fun. Ab P becomes F very easily. In Punjab, pakadna becomes phadna, pakad becomes phad. So P becomes F. Just say R becomes L very easily. When you talk to a child, you also change R to L. Ale kaise ho? Are ko ale bol dete ho. So likewise, this pan, it became F, became fun. Answer was coin. Because fun comes from pan. Pan becomes panam, becomes fanam. So it's fanam, not fanam, fanam. Fanam which comes by changing the first consonant. Just change the first consonant, you will find the answer. In multiple cases. 10 answers I can show you in last 10 years. Where just by one consonant change, answer is in front of you. Just change the consonant, find the answer. Likewise, when you change from pan, it becomes fun. M is sound which is added in Persian also, Italian also, Indian also. And that's how Ram becomes Ramam. So, these are punch-marked coins. Indus Valley civilization, no coin. Rig Vedic age, literature mention Nishk. Later Vedic age, literature mention Krishnala and Shatman. Krishna comes from black, rust of silver is black. Shatman comes from 100, which is 100 times of Krishnala. Punch-marked coins, as archaeologically as we can see, appeared in Mahajanpad age. Gold coin, because it is gold, called Suvarna. Silver coin, because of that shape mark on the coin, is called Rupya. Entire coin are called Mudra. Because silver coin is full of lower denomination value of copper coin, it is called Pooled, full. Copper coin minted by merchants, Pani. Pani are the first ones to mint the coin, called Pan. One standardized Pan, perhaps used in majority of the cases, became Karsh Pan. Karsha is also a unit of weight. Because we break it by hitting it masakna, called masa. And because jewelry is also used as coin and coin is also used as jewelry, it becomes kakni. Let me show you some coins of, now this is one Suvarna coin. Suvarna. Look at the irregular shape of coin and look how punch is marked on it. Because of this irregular shape, coins are irregular. Because of these marks punched on it. In cast die stuck coin, you will see shape is coming up the coin. If you see the modern coin, shape is coming up the coin. And if you see these coins, so these marks are punched inside the coin. This is one Suvarna, a rare Suvarna. These are silver punch marked coins. Just check how these silver coins are becoming black wherever we can't touch them. So coin start turning black. Hopefully they were aware it is rusting, or God knows, they started saying Krishnala because of these coins. Irregular shape. Although they also make effort to make some round coins, but generally coins are of irregular shape. This is a Sri Lankan coin. It's not Indian coin, but still you can see Masa. Masa is a coin. So many of the southern Indian dynasty made Masa coins. This is Panchmark coin. Look at the brutal punch. And you yourself can see mark is only on the one side. Because if you will turn the coin and will try to punch the other side, this mark will disappear. And that's why logic says Panchmark coin is marked only on one side. And that's why I say art and culture could be answered only when you see the things. Otherwise, there are hundreds of things. And a theory could not cover every of it. These are punch marked. Irregular shape, mark is punched on the coin. These are punch marked. Irregular shape, mark is punched. Other side is vacant. Here some marks are. We think earlier the coin was marked on this side. Over the use, when the marks started disappearing, we rubbed this side and remarked on from the other side. Coin has mark only on one side. This is Panchmark coin, irregular shape. You could see the mark of progressive cutting. And these marks are punched inside it. These are punch-marked coins with the efforts. We think there is no proof of it. It is found at the NBPW levels. But we think it is the same continuation of Shatman bar, a bar. So it's a great myth that coin is round. Coin could be of any shape or size. Even in later times, 5 paisa coin was square. Abhi just discontinued 2 rupee coin has 16 edges. So coin could be of any shape and size. They are a coin stuck on the one side. It could be the Shatman bar 100 times. These are the coin. They don't even care about the size or shape. They care about the weight of it. No care of shape. Just the irregular shape. These all are punch-marked irregular coins. These are irregular coins. Marked on one side. Coin have this coming out from the other side. The coin came out of the other side. So it's not key they are worried about the shape of it. They are worried about the weight of it. These are silver bars. These are some marks which is historian identified. This is the most prevalent, sun shape. If you see the coins again, you will find this sun-like shape. We don't know what they mean. That's why punch-mark coins are not a great source of political history. Cast die stuck coins will be great source of political history, which Greek will come. So this is just the early coins. The main coinage which in India appear is, if you check, compared with Greek coins, cast die stuck coins, these are cast die stuck coins. These are cast die stuck coins. Just look at this coin of Menander. Name of king. You could even read Menander. So these are the later coins. After Greek came, everyone made. Look at the Gupta coins. Everyone made the coin. And where we even know what is the name of king, what is the name of god. These are the beautiful Gupta coins. These are cast die stuck coin. You could see even horse, the name of king is written. Look at goddess Lakshmi. Coins are coming out of her hand. So these are Chandragupta riding the horse. So these are later cast die stuck coin. You could see Samudragupta playing Veena style coins. So these are the later cast die stuck coin. The Greeks came up with those cast die stuck coin. So Rig Vedic age coin, later Vedic age coin, Mahajanpad age coin. Mauryans will also have the cast die stuck, punch marked coins. Mauryan coins will also be punch marked in style. That's a later topic which I'm not covering here, but still. So these are punch mark coins. A better coin with a bit better marks, but still irregular shape and size, punch mark. तो Mauryans also introduced or used punch marked coins.